I'm going to harvest some lemons. It has been 8 years since I planted this lemon tree. It's a grafted seedless variety of lemon tree. It started bearing fruits after 5 years from planting on the ground. During the early stages of fruiting, the lemons were smaller and there were less fruits on the tree. As the tree matured, it started bearing more fruits, and the lemons got bigger. Lemons belong to the family of citrus fruits. Its scientific name is Citrus limon. I have tried to maintain this lemon tree at 5 feet by constantly pruning its branches. This height allows me to pick the fruits easily and also check for any pests. A few times this lemon tree was attacked by pests, sometimes to the extent of losing the tree. Fortunately, I have managed each time to save this lemon tree. I only used organic pesticides. Moreover, those affected branches with heavy infestation, I normally cut them off and discard. As this lemon tree is planted in the ground, I have not given much attention to fertilizing it regularly. I remember a few times during the past 8 years I have thrown compost around the tree. Yes, I remember watering the tree with compost tea as well. That's all the maintenance work I have done so far for this lemon tree. Doing so little for it, yet this lemon tree has blessed me with so many lemons. Yes, it's sweet pleasure picking lemons from your own lemon tree. Mother Nature's bountiful blessings. There are a multitude of health benefits associated with lemons. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C and flavonoids. They are also rich in fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Enjoying lemons in our daily diet helps improve skin health and lowers the risk of kidney stones. Including lemons in our diet also enhances iron absorption, reduces blood pressure, and bolsters our immune system. The antioxidants in lemons helps to remove free radicals that can damage cells in the body. The citric acid in lemons may cause some people indigestion, heartburn, or acid reflux. However, eating lemons with other foods reduces this effect. Today, I have a simple recipe for you using one of these seedless lemons to make mango and lemon ice cream using just a blender. Ingredients needed for the ice cream will of course be mangoes and lemon. We will also need sugar, creamer, custard powder, and milk. First, mix 1 tablespoon of custard powder with a little water or with some milk. Boil 1 cup of milk, then add the custard powder mixture to the milk. Keep stirring the mixture until it thickens into a smooth paste. Allow the mixture to cool. I am using here a basin of cold water to cool the mixture quickly. Next, 1 whole lemon was squeezed. The seedless lemon I am using here has hardly any seeds, not even traces of rudimentary seeds. I am using here 2 medium-sized ripe mangoes. The mangoes are peeled, then chopped. I removed as much of the flesh from the center seed as not to waste. The seed is discarded. Now, this dinner plate is full with chopped mangoes. The next step, making mango and lemon ice cream, is the most easiest. All the ingredients are added to a blender jar. First to go in is the mangoes. Then the cooled custard mix. Next, the sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons, depending on the sweetness of the mangoes. Followed with the lemon juice, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Next, the coffee creamer, 5 to 6 tablespoons. More creamer, the more creamier the ice cream will be. The final ingredient to this recipe, pink Himalayan salt, a quarter teaspoon. All these ingredients in the blender jar is then blended to a smooth consistency. Finally, the blended ingredients are given a taste test. This is to ensure everything is in balance.
Very nice. So good.
The final blended mixture was poured into an ice cream container and kept in the freezer for 5 hours. The lemon mango ice cream was still not smooth and creamy after 5 hours. So, I decided to beat up the mixture again and return to the freezer for another 5 hours. I waited for a few minutes for the ice cream to thaw before using the beater. I used the electric beater. The ice cream mixture looked more fluffy and smooth now after beating for 10 minutes. The lemon mango ice cream is now ready to be served. I'm going to use an ice cream cone to serve. This is simply delicious.
Yeah. Nice. Cool. Nice.
Can get that mango taste. Enjoying my ice cream. Very creamy, sour, sweet.
And so tasty.
That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching. Lemon and mango ice cream delight.